Hey there, YouTube fam. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the exciting world of artificial intelligence. In today's video, we'll be discussing a topic that many of you have been asking about: how to make money with AI for beginners and professionals. Before we dive into the strategies, let's quickly talk about what AI is for our viewers who might be new to the concept. Artificial intelligence, AI, has become a powerful force driving technological advancements across industries. It presents a wide range of opportunities for individuals to capitalize on this transformative technology and generate income. Whether you're a beginner intrigued by AI or a seasoned professional looking to expand your horizons, this article will guide you through various strategies to make money with AI. Developing AI applications. One of the most lucrative paths in the AI field is developing AI applications. If you have a programming or data science background, this strategy can be a perfect fit for you. Create AI-powered solutions that cater to businesses' needs, such as chatbots, recommendation systems, or predictive analytics tools. Build a strong portfolio showcasing your skills, and offer your services on freelancing platforms or connect with local businesses to incorporate AI into their operations. Creating AI-driven products. For entrepreneurial minds, creating AI-driven products opens up exciting possibilities. Come up with innovative ideas that leverage AI technology and solve real-world problems. Develop a prototype and conduct thorough market research to validate your concept. Seek funding from investors or venture capitalists interested in AI startups. From smart home devices to virtual assistants or personalized recommendation platforms, the market welcomes AI-based products with open arms. Consulting and training. As AI adoption grows, organizations often require expert guidance on integrating AI effectively into their workflows. If you possess in-depth knowledge and experience in AI, consider offering consulting services to businesses. Help them understand the potential of AI and devise strategies for successful implementation. Additionally, provide AI training programs for professionals looking to upskill or transition into AI-related roles. Online courses, workshops, or personalized coaching sessions can be avenues to share your expertise and generate income. Investing in AI companies. If you have capital and a keen interest in the AI industry, investing in AI companies can be a viable long-term strategy. Research promising AI startups, analyze their business models, and stay updated on their progress. This can be done through angel investing, venture capital firms, or public market investments. However, it's crucial to thoroughly evaluate potential risks and consult with financial advisors before making any investment decisions. Participating in AI competitions. AI competitions provide a platform to showcase your skills, gain recognition, and potentially earn money. Platforms like Kaggle host data science competitions where participants tackle real-world problems using AI techniques. Winning these competitions often comes with cash prizes or opportunities to collaborate with industry leaders. Participating in AI competitions not only enhances your expertise but also opens doors to lucrative career prospects. Thank you so much for joining us today on this exciting exploration of how to make money with AI. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and inspiration to embark on your own AI journey. Remember, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional, the world of AI offers endless opportunities for innovation and financial success. So, don't hesitate to dive in, learn, and apply your skills to this rapidly evolving field. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on AI and its limitless possibilities. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. We love hearing from you, so please share your thoughts, questions, or ideas in the comments section below. Let's engage in a meaningful discussion and learn from each other. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep pushing the boundaries of what AI can do. Wishing you all the best on your AI ventures. Stay curious, stay ambitious, and make the most of this AI-driven world. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.